I'll guide you through the process of sending money with Western Union using a card or bank transfer, helping you choose the fastest and most cost-effective method for your needs. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Whether you're sending a gift to a friend or supporting family abroad, Western Union offers a few different ways to fund your transfer. Before you begin, there is one golden rule. The name on your Western Union profile must exactly match the name on your bank account or card. If they don't match, your transfer would likely be flagged for security reasons. To start, log into your account at westernunion.com or open the mobile app. Click Send Money, select your destination country, and enter the amount you wish to send. You will then be asked to choose a delivery method. You can select cash pickup for immediate access, bank account for direct deposit, or you can send to a mobile wallet like M-Pesa or GCash for near instant delivery in supported countries. Next, you need to decide how to pay. If you pay with a debit or credit card, the money is usually available to your receiver in minutes. However, keep in mind that cards usually carry higher Western Union fees. If you use a credit card, your bank may also charge an additional cash advance fee. Alternatively, you can choose a bank transfer. The traditional ACH transfer is the cheapest way to send money, though it can take 1 to 3 business days. For a faster option, Western Union now integrates with services like Plaid to offer instant bank transfers, giving you the speed of a card with the lower fees of a bank account. For mobile users, you can also securely check out using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Next, provide your receiver's information. You will need their full legal name exactly as it appears on their ID. If you're sending to a bank account, have their IBAN or SWIFT BIC code and account number ready. If you're sending to a mobile wallet, you'll only need their mobile phone number. Before you finalize, review the transfer fee and the exchange rate shown on the screen. Once you're satisfied, click Send. You will immediately receive a 10-digit Money Transfer Control Number, or MTCN. Never share this MTCN with anyone except your receiver, as it is the key to picking up the funds. You can use this number on the Track a Transfer tool to see exactly when the money has been delivered. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.